Searching with an Angus database search is simple, as users can look up individual animals or do searches based on criteria to identify groups of animals which meet their needs. Users are able to search the database based on animal name or animal ID, as well as NLAS details if they've been included in the database. When searching for an animal, users have the ability to use the is function if they know the full exact name of the animal, begins with if they know the start, such as the stud prefix, contains if they only know part of the animal's name, or ends with if they know the end of the animal's name. Users will need to select the function most appropriate to their information before typing the information into the relevant box and clicking the search button. When returning to the previous search, the database will remember the criteria you searched on, so users will need to click the Clear button before starting a new search. Users can search for multiple animals simply by putting a comma between the details they've entered. All the details entered will need to adhere to the same function. To search based on criteria such as breeding values, users will need to scroll down to the bottom of the page where they'll find the additional selection criteria. Under the heading of additional selection criteria, there are a number of tabs which contain the criteria that can be used to search the database. If the user has a herd linked to their Angus Tech account, they will have additional selection criteria under the Ownership tab, which they can search the database based on. To perform a search, simply navigate to the appropriate tab and enter the criteria you wish to search based on. When searching for EBVs, users can type in the exact breeding value they want to search based on, or use the percentile band, which will calculate the breeding value cutoff to meet the percentile band. Simply type the band in, either the minimum or maximum percentile band, and click off the box, and the database will calculate the minimum cutoff. Users can search based on multiple EBVs simply by adding criteria to the relevant box. Once all the criteria have been entered, users will need to click the search button at the bottom of the page to complete the search.